What's up, everybody? My name is Quentin Quantlosby. I'm gonna try to put this in the microwave. Hope it's not if it's a good idea or a bad idea. Let's try 30 seconds. It's still cooking by now. It's still cooking by now. Let's set it. Oh my god. Look what's happening. 7. Oh my god. It melted. Look at that bowl. Let's try for 45 seconds if it's better. Please make sure this is a good idea and I had to watch that before it doesn't explode. Oh my god! Oh. No. It's melting. Yes! Oh my gosh. Do not try this at home. If I was like to record this, don't try this at home, people. Oh! A minute. Don't conclude yourself or without injuries. Don't do this. Whoa! That's no good. Is it still melting? Yup. Just recorded it on my phone. Look, it's like disappearing. Oh my god! I'm gonna stop this now. Thanks everybody for watching. If you liked this video, look on Google and all that stuff. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Quentin Weathersby the Quan.